Hello, today we will guide you through how to write a review on Booking.com. To begin, open Booking.com in your web browser. This will take you to the main homepage where you can search for places to stay and access hotel listings. If the page looks slightly different on your device, that is completely normal, since layouts can vary a little between desktop and mobile. Once you are on the homepage, search for a hotel or select a sample hotel to book. In this demonstration, the goal is simply to reach a property page where reviews can be viewed, so you can follow the same process with any hotel that interests you. If you already have a specific destination in mind, enter it in the search field and choose the option that matches your trip. After making your selection, click the search button. This will load the available results for the location or hotel you chose. Depending on your internet speed and the number of listings available, this may take a moment. When the results page appears, you will usually see multiple properties along with pricing, ratings, and brief descriptions. Next, click on one of the sample results from the list. This opens the hotel's main listing page, which includes information such as photos, amenities, room options, location details, and guest feedback. This page is important because the review section is tied to the individual property. Once you are on the hotel page, look for the guest reviews section and click on it. This will take you to the part of the listing where Booking.com displays feedback left by previous guests. Reading through this section can also help you understand the kind of comments typically included in a review, such as notes about cleanliness, staff, comfort, location, or value for money. At the top left of the reviews area, there is normally a Write Review button available. In this demo, that button is not active because this is only a sample walkthrough, but on an eligible account, this is where you would begin the review writing process. If you do not see the button on your screen, it may simply mean that the account you are using does not currently have a completed stay that qualifies for a review. And that's the process for getting to the place where you can write a review on Booking.com. Follow these same steps on your own account, and once the Write Review option appears, you can continue by sharing your experience clearly and honestly.